Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Trading Empire and I am back with another trading video. So this is live trading in front of you. You can see that I shorted this market NZD USD and I am on the daily time frame. We will talk about this trade, what are the reasons behind this trade. We will discuss each and everything about this trade on the daily time frame, H4 time frame, and as well as on hourly time frame. So first of all, we will discuss this trade on the daily time frame. So without wasting any time, so let's get started. You can see that market was ranging here. Market was not creating new higher highs or new lower lows, so that was the indication of market was ranging. Suddenly market created new higher high, that indicates the new bullish trend. So we also have a nice key level here. We have a resistance here, here as well, and finally market broke above this nice key level and show the bullish trend continues. When market dropped down to this level, show some bullish price action, but didn't continue to same area, and after a little bullish move, market again broke this nice key level. After this little bullish move, we got a new lower low. Let me write here, this is new lower low. That indicates the new bearish trend has been started, or you can say that this is the indication of new bearish trend, because we have a decision point here. From we get a new higher high. With this move, market broke our decision point and gave us a new lower low, which indicates the new bearish trend has been started, and our new decision point will be this. Until market below this swing high, the trend will remains bearish. So let me clear this. So we have new lower low, and I was waiting for market to give a bearish signal at this key level. So market pulled back to that key level, which is very nice key level, and we have a bearish engulfing here, nice bearish candle which engulfs the previous candle. And market, after this bearish engulfing, I entered at 78.6% retracement level, and I entered a short trade, and market is now going into my favor. So here's my take profit, which is about 70 pips. Now let's talk about the reasons behind this trade. We have a new bearish trend, indication of new bearish trend. Number two, we have a nice key level here, nice resistance level. Number three, we have a bearish price action signal in the form of bearish engulfing. And number four, we have a channel breakout here. You can see that we have a channel breakout here, we have a channel support here, here. Finally market broke below and pulled back to same area and gave us a bearish engulfing. After engulfing, we entered into the trade, and market is going into our favor. You can see that I already break even my trade, so now it is totally risk free. Market can go up or down, there is no worries. I already break even my trade, so it is totally risk free for me. Let's see how market unfold from here. So let me clear this out and see this market on the H4 time frame. Let's jump into the H4 time frame. Now we are on the H4 time frame. Let me clear this out. Here market was going upside, higher low. Now market create new higher high, created new higher high. The next move was the bearish, and market broke our decision point. That was our decision point, which gave us a new higher high. So market broke below and show a pullback. After pullback, we have a nice bearish engulfing, and market continue for the bearish trend. Here we have a new lower low, because market was going up, the trend was up. With this move, market created new lower low, pull back and create another lower low. The trend is bearish. You can see that we have a new lower low here. Then market pulled back to the same level that we drawn on the daily time frame, and this is also a previously broken area. You can see that we have a bullish move from here, and market finally broke below and going to test that level again. We have a nice inside bar here. We can see that we have this candle, this candle like hammer or hanging man, or whatever you can call it. This is the mother candle, and the next candle is the inside bar candle. After inside bar, we entered into the trade, and market is going into our favor. So that was a scenario on H4 time frame. So let's discuss about it on the H1 time frame. The level is same. We have we drawn this level on the daily time frame. We can use this level on the H4, H1, M30 or M15 time frame. So that was the strong level, that was the strong key level. We can use this level in different time frames, in lower time frames. So we can also use that level in the H1 time frame. So we have drawn this level, the same level. Let's discuss about the trade, how to enter into trade on H1 time frame. This is the same level that I have drawn on the daily. So if I start from here, market was going up. When market start its move to pull back to that level, so market was going up, pull back, going up, pull back, again upside. Market is creating new higher highs, higher lows, and we have a kind of channel here. Yes, we have a channel here. Market was moving up inside this channel, and if I zoom it a little bit, market broke below with this move, so we have a channel breakout here, and now we will wait for the pullback. If we see it, we have a nice supply zone here, let me clear this out. So we have a bearish move which is called drop, we have a base, we have another bearish move. So we have a drop, base, drop. So we have a drop, base, drop, fresh supply zone here. So if we drawn this level, so you can see that how beautifully market entered into that fresh supply zone, and now market is going into our favor. So that was the whole scenario of this trade. I told you how we could enter into this trade in different time frames. I discussed it on the daily time frame, on H4 time frame, and hourly time frame. So this is how you can use you can use the same level on the different time frames. This is called multi-time frame analysis. You can combine price action trading and supply and demand trading. Our main strategy is the TLS, trend level signal. So we have a bearish trend, we have a nice key level, and after that we have to find a perfect signal to enter into the trade. So that was the whole scenario. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, then give it a thumbs up. Goodbye.